animal kingdom is full of surprises. Here are 5 bizarre creatures you won't believe exist. Number 1. Axolotl. This adorable water monster stays a baby its whole life. Plus, it can regrow limbs like a real-life superhero. Number 2. Pink fairy armadillo. A tiny, fluffy pink armadillo with a shell that looks like armor? Yes, it's real, and it's found in Argentina. Number 3. Glaucus atlanticus. Also known as the blue dragon. This tiny sea slug looks like a floating Pokémon and eats venomous jellyfish. Number 4. Saiga antelope. This weird-looking antelope has a bulbous, flexible nose that helps filter dust and cool the air in the hot desert. Number 5. Yeti crab. A deep-sea crab covered in fluffy, hair-like bristles that help grow bacteria for food. Basically, it farms its own meals. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and follow for more awesome animal facts.